Hi guys!
Welcome back to another vlog. So, mapapansin siya sobrang dilim because right now, brownout dito sa amin. And so, we just wanted to show you guys kung paano kami nagpe-prepare kapag brownout. And ang first thing na papakita ko is one of our lights. So, this one. So, yan, nag-illuminate siya talaga sa house namin. So, this light is actually my bike lights. So, mura lang yan. Ginagamit ko rin sa bike, di ba? And for our second item kapag brownout, ito yung number... Actually, ito yung pinaka-importante sa amin. Ito yung jump starter ko actually. Pero may kasama siyang power bank. What are you singing, Riven? So, as you can see, sobrang happy pa rin niya kahit brownout. But anyway, back to what I'm supposed to say. This one is actually a jump starter. Pero may kasama siya kasing power bank. And yung power bank na yun, sobrang lakas siya, sobrang tagal. So, what I do is kukunin ko yung power bank and then meron ako parang adapter for our internet. Doon papunta sa power bank. So, kahit brownout, ayan, hindi ko lang kung nakikita niyo dyan. Ayan siya. But yeah, madilim. Pero, ayan, yun yung power bank. Yung red na yun is the cable. So, ilalagay ko siya sa wifi namin. And yun na, may internet na kami kahit brownout. Yes, baby. Wow, that's so cool.
Ben, open mo na yung light.
Oh, and then, syempre, para sa mga bata, isa sa mga importante is electric fan. We have a rechargeable electric fan from Firefly. Oop, meron pa ilaw. Wow. Wow. So, other than that, maraming lights like this one na dual purpose din naman. Nalalagay namin siya sa kung saan nadidikit namin yung magnet yan. And lahat yan, Shopee lang. So, lalagay ko yung mga link sa baba. Check nyo na lang. So, ayun lang. We just wanted to show you guys kung paano kami mag-prepare for brownouts dito sa bahay. And I hope na nakatulong itong video na to for you guys to prepare as well. Lahat ng mga gamit dito hindi naman sobrang kamahalan. And pag nagkakuryente na, charge lang namin ulit. And that's it. Bye!
Bye. Ayan na, may kuryente na. Yay!
May power na!
Ayan natin ito sa